Hi guys and welcome to today's intraday live trading analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on Aura. So I'll be telling you where I took the entry, exit and everything. And also today the market is down by more than 5% and it has closed at minus 5.93% down today. So yes, yesterday the market was up by almost 3.5%, but today the market is down by minus 5.93%. This is because of the election news, what they are presenting now, the result and the data and everything. Okay, so even though the market has come down by minus 5%, today we had the gainers as well. India Unilever with 5.78% up, Britannia, Nestle India, and Hero MotoCorp and Tata Consumer. So these were the stocks which managed to get into the gainer section. And if we see the loser section, we can see there is a lot of changes in the percentage change. Like Adani Ports is down by minus 21%, Adani Enterprises is down by 19%, ONGC, NTPC, Coal India, you can see how big the percentage change is for the day. Okay, so we'll be talking about the Nifty 50 today and everything. So first let's talk about today's trade, what I have done. Okay, so today I have traded on Aura as I already said you. So according to my study and the strategy, I took my trade and I short sold at 1215 in the morning. Okay, and as you guys can see, once I have short sold, the stock has come down for the day. Okay, it has not gone above that levels, if you guys can see. So the lowest point made for the day was 1109. So you can see there was a huge fall in the stock today, but me, by following my discipline and the strategy, I have taken my exit by 8 to 9 points of a target. Okay, so this is the hour of former trade what I have done today. And if you guys wish to get the live market support like this and want to learn how to select stocks like this and how to make proper trades, you can join us today. Okay, so you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And also you get everyday live market personal support as well. So you can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So guys, now if you see the pre-open market for the day, so this is how the market opened today. It was opening at minus 0.36% down, not much of a gap up or a gap down here like previous day. And once the market opened, you can see how the fall was. Okay, so this is a Nifty 50 chart what we are seeing right now, and today's the low point was 21,301. So you can see on yesterday the high was around 23,330, somewhere around there. From there the market has come down a lot, almost like 2,500 down points it has come today, if you guys can see. And later at 21,301 the market has taken a support and it has tried to go up, and anyway the market has closed today at 21,884.50. So overall the market has turned bearish for the day. Okay, and also if you quickly see the indices, I mean you can see almost all the indices are closing in red. Okay, so you can see Nifty FMJC as the only indices which has gone up by 0.95% up. Okay, and Nifty IT, you can see it's only down by minus 0.60%, which is a normal effect, I can tell. And you can see Nifty PSU Bank is down by minus 15.14%. This is the largest percentage of decline in the Nifty indices what I can see here. And Nifty Oil and Gas at minus 11.80%, and you can see all the other indices are also down by 32%. And again Nifty Reality is also 9.62% down. Nifty private banks are down by minus 7.04%, and you can see financial services and Nifty banks are also in a very big declining percentage for the day. So this is the overall market performance for the day, guys, and this is how the market has performed for the day. So anyway, so however the market performs, if you follow your study and the strategy, then you can find out good trades. Okay, so if you guys wish to learn from me and want to get the live market personal support from me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me and learn to be a profitable trader from today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.